Today I'll be doing a review with Wondershare's Recoverit software and also teach you some tips on how to properly recover deleted files or repair corrupted storage devices on Windows 10. Well, first of all, I know that a lot of you, including me personally, have experienced accidental deletion of files, may it be important or not. Sometimes these files can also get corrupted. Luckily, most of the time, corrupted files can be fixed without using any third-party software on Windows 10. The usual solution to fix corrupted files from a storage device is to run the disk check tool on Windows 10. Simply right-click the storage device, go to Properties, and go to Tools, and you'll see under the Error Checking tab a check button. You might wonder what this shield icon means. This basically means that you need to have administrative privileges on your Windows 10 account in order for you to be able to use this function on Windows. Most of the time, out of the box, this error checking tool works magically well in fixing corrupted files from your storage devices. But what about accidentally deleted or lost files in events of corruption? Or even just a simple misclick of the delete button on your keyboard? Just some fun fact, files stored on portable storage devices such as your flash drive do not go to your Windows 10 or cycle bin. Once it is deleted, it's not going to appear into your operating system's recycle bin for you to be able to restore it in case of accidental deletion. Unfortunately, for this 32 gigs flash drive, I needed to retrieve a particular document file, but upon checking, it is nowhere to be found since I reformatted this flash drive last week. Here's when data recovery software comes in. There's a lot of recovery software tools out there. However, in this video, I'll be using and reviewing Wondershare's Recoverit software. Will Wondershare Recoverit recover my lost files on my flash drive? We'll find out. First, for those who are not yet familiar with Wondershare Recoverit, it's a paid data recovery software that's been developed by a reputable company called Wondershare. It claims to be capable of recovering up to 1,000 different file formats. Before you purchase a license, I suggest you to try out the software first if it could find whatever file you lost or trying to recover. In my case, what I needed to recover is a lost document file that got deleted upon reformatting the drive. We'll try and see if Wondershare Recoverit would be able to retrieve that particular document. To download Wondershare Recoverit, simply go to recoverit.wondershare.com on your browser and download the Windows installer. Take note, however, that this is a paid software that will require you a license before you are able to recover files, but you can scan for free devices first to see if the file that you are looking for is still recoverable by the Wondershare Recoverit software. Once installed, simply open up the Wondershare Recoverit and select the storage device you want to recover your files for. In my case, I'll be selecting this G drive that has 28.6 gigabytes of storage. Click on the checkbox and we'll hit the start button. It will immediately start scanning the files that are already present on your storage device and then proceed with the recovery process of retrieving lost or deleted files that can still be recovered from the storage device. Some fun facts: the reason why data recovery software is able to recover your data is because your files don't necessarily get wiped out whenever you delete a file on your storage device. In simplest terms, the allocated space for that particular file that you are deleting, may it be a video, document, or photo, is only marked as unused, or in technical terms, the sector is filled with a 0. The actual data gets somehow deleted only up until that particular space gets used by another file or data. Hence, the previously deleted file gets overwritten by the newly transferred data. Alright, now that it is done, to check which files can be recovered, simply navigate to the raw files section. Expand the raw section area and you'll be able to see all recoverable files that are organized by their data types. Well, I'm looking for a document, so let's take a look at the docs files. Hopefully the document file that I'm looking for is still here. Not bad, I'm still able to discover from the formatted drive the actual document file that I was looking for. The file name of the document or file that you are trying to recover might no longer be the same as to what it originally is, but checking the preview of the file, this is indeed the document that I was trying to retrieve. Wondershare reached out to me to explore Recoverit data recovery software that they have, and for my experience, here are my summary. First, I like that you can freely scan any devices for recoverable data before requiring a license. This is logical as users who are looking to recover data must first to be able to see whether the file or group of files that they are trying to recover is still retrievable by the software. The interface is also pretty straightforward. Even non-technical users would clearly get what they are seeing on their screen when using the app. The preview feature is also pretty useful, but the 30 MB limit for previewable files might be a little bit too low. A lot of file formats are also supported, and that's another plus. You could actually recover various formats such as picture formats like JF, PNG, PMP, JPEG, or even video files or audio files, and also PDF and archives are also supported by the Wondershare Recoverit. However, for the downside, first, you are not able to recover files really for free. You'll have to get a license to be able to recover any file. I have previously seen comments and videos stating that you can recover files below 100 MB for free, but in my case, I'm unable to do so. It would prompt me for a license each time I'm trying to recover even a document file below 1 MB. So I guess you really need to have to secure a license if you want to recover a file. Another minor thing that I noticed is that there's no option to sign in using your social accounts when signing in on the Wondershare Recoverit app. A nice touch of social account sign-in buttons would have been more convenient to users. Lastly, for the price. Wondershare Recoverit doesn't come with a free version unlike its competitors in the data recovery market. Also, the cost of the monthly or yearly subscription is quite expensive. Hence, the best value license to buy that I would purchase is the one-time lifetime license. That's all for my Wondershare Recoverit review. So hopefully you gained something on this video. Feel free to leave your comments and feedbacks as to whether you found this video helpful. Also, I would appreciate it if you could hit that like and subscribe button to get more helpful tech stuff in the future. Again, it's your TECHY dude here. See you in my next videos.